Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is your wool. Of which chapter? That is your fibers from animal. In previous video I discussed you about silk. Silk is also a animal fiber. So silk and wool is a natural fiber because it is obtained from an animal. Silk is obtained from the silkworm. Now today we are discuss only about the wool. Wool, from where we get a wool? We get a wool from hair of sheep, goat, alpaca, yak and camel. From where we get a wool? We get a wool from the sheep, goat, alpaca, yak and camel. Don't say only the sheep. These animals bear a big or bear a thick coat of hair. Thick coat of hair on their body and lives in a cold climate. They live in a cold climate. These animals bear a thick coat of hair on their body and live in cold climate. The thick coat of hair trap lot of air in the body. Air is the bad conductor of body, so they keep warm. So wool is used for making a warm clothes because they can trap more and more air and air is the bad conductor of heat. So here we used to make a sweater, shawl, gloves, blanket is used to make what? How to make that one? With the help of wool. We can make it because they can trap more and more heat. So next how we can get, okay? Because the wool or hair of this animal is removed only once in a year. Means only in a year we can able to remove only one time in the beginning of summer season. They can survive in hot weather without hair because they can able to survive, but in winter season they cannot able to survive. So we can remove the hair or wool only in the summer season. And by the time winters come, when the winters come, the thick wool or hair again grow on their bodies. So in summer season we can remove their wools, and then again when winter is coming, the thick wool grow on their body. Fur of Kashmira goat is very short, very soft. The fur of the Kashmira goat is very soft. It is woven into fine shawl called Pashmira shawl. That is called a Pashmira shawl. Angora wool is obtained from Angora goats. Angora wool is obtained from Angora goat, which are found in the hilly region such as Jammu Kashmir. So Angora wool is mainly in the Jammu Kashmir. Second one, yak wool is commonly in hilly region of Tibet and Ladakh. So where the yak wool is mostly obtained, that is in your Tibet and Ladakh. The hairy skin of sheep has two types. Mainly there are two types of skin of the sheep from where we obtain the fibers. First the coarse and bead hair. First is here the coarse bead hair, and second one the fine soft under hair close to the skin, which is very close to the skin. The hair of that one is very soft. So fine hair provide the fibers for making a wool. The process of selecting parent sheep for obtaining special type of characteristic in their offspring, that is called a crossbreed. breeding or selective breeding. For if we want to increase the quality and quantity of the wool, so we have to cross the two breeds. One should be one native and other one the exotic breed. So in that one we have to get the specific characteristic. Now you see what are the different procedure. First is your shearing a sheep. Second, scoring in tank. Third, scoring in by machines and rolling into the yarn. These are the different steps involving in a shearing. Now what is mean by shearing? That is your first step. The fleece of sheep is shaved off. The fleece of sheep is shaved off along with the thin layer of the skin. In this day, it was done using a pair of metal blade. Shearing can be done by using a pair of metal blade we are using to shave the skin of the sheep. But nowadays we are using a machine. Nowadays we are using the machine. This is similar to the shaving of beards or hair. It is same like a beards and shaving. This process is called shearing. This process is called shearing. Shearing is generally done in summer season. It is generally done in summer season so that sheep could get new hair by winter to protect against cold. So shearing is mostly done in summer season. When winter is coming, again the wool is coming in their body. Second step is scoring. Second verse is your scoring. Fleece after shearing is washed properly to remove dirts and grease. Whatever the dirt and grease, first we can do remove that one. The washing of fleece after shearing is called scoring. That is called the scoring. Then next step is shorting. Then after scoring, fleece is shorted according to texture. According to texture we have to short it. This process is called a shorting. That process is called a shorting. After shorting, full fibers called burr, that called burr, are picked out from here, and burr is the fiber that give a wool. Burr is the fiber that gives wool. Now next step is your dyeing. After shorting and picking out of birds, these are dyed in designable color. Whatever you want to color, the desired color we have to do the one. Now last one step is spinning. Last step is spinning. The fibers are the straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The last step is your spinning, that the fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into the yarn. That is all the process how we get the wool. Has some hazards is related with their occupations, means some difficulty what they are facing during that job. The people who the job of shorting means separating the fleece of sheep into fibers of they have different quality, they have different types of qualities are called the shorters. The shorter's job is very risky, means the person who cut the fleece is called a shorter. The shorter's job is very risky because sometimes they get infected by a bacteria called anthrax, which cause a deadly blood disease called a short disease. That is called a shorter disease. The risk faced by people working in any industries due to the nature of their work are called occupational hazard. That's why the particular hazard is called occupational hazard because it is related with their occupation. So shorter disease is an occupational hazard because while doing that one they can be affected by sometime with the disease that is anthrax one. Anthrax is your one bacteria which cause a disease that is shorter disease. That is all about the wool and all the thing which is related with the wool, about their disease, how we can get a wool, how they can reach up to a textile companies. Now thank you.